Welcome to a couple of bunkies.
So today we're going to be making a shower seat / booster seat. So I go downstairs to pick out the perfect board for this project. But wait, there's something up with this board. This calls for a story. I've been wanting to automate more of my shop and some of my projects. I ended up finding this beautiful Carve-Right CNC on Facebook Marketplace for about $500. But I was only able to get one cutting board off of this CNC. After that, every time the router sped up, the bit would shoot out like a Beyblade all over the shop. Come to find out, this router collet was the main problem. Carve-Right had replaced this collet in later models to one that you can tighten with an Allen key. If you want to watch the full video of me playing around with this, it is on the live stream under streaming live from my GoPro. Just as a warning, I usually keep wearing down to a minimum. In this video, I ended up getting cut by the router bit that was launched uncontrollably, and there was some swearing involved. So let's watch this Beyblade rip. Now let's see that again in slow motion. So after this terrible failure, I had a new CNC machine that wasn't able to work, and I had a router bit broken off into this board. So I dare not put it back into a CNC or anything, in fear of breaking another router bit off on the piece of metal. So I'm going to go ahead and make something practical. I'm going to go ahead and make a shower seat. When giving our child a bath, I have to sit on the edge of the tub. It's not the most comfortable place to balance. So I went ahead and took this board and rounded over the edges. I found one piece of scrap wood that I was able to cut in half for the future use of legs. I round over all exposed edges. Then I can position the legs in a way that will straddle the tub frame and glue and screw it together. Now, since this is going to end up being in the water or near the water, I want to put a coat of epoxy on it. I'm using a 1-to-1 epoxy from Total Boat, and I'm using about 20 ounces of both Part A and Part B. I use enough of the epoxy to entirely cover this board. After I let the epoxy set, it was absolutely perfect for the tub. Before I made this seat, it was very hard on my tailbone and back when sitting down and giving my child a bath. Let me show you how it works by drawing a bath. I've never seen a seat that straddles the edge of a tub before. What do you think? Is this something useful? We use it every day. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications on future videos. We ended up having a party at a friend's house that we were going to have to stay overnight, and we can't be lugging over a large high chair. And this shower seat was the perfect size, for the exception I needed to add a couple inches underneath it. So I redesigned the legs, and I attached little rubber nubs on the bottom. I also added a buckle to the seat. Now we have a dual-purpose shower seat and booster seat. And here is the finished product. This is absolutely perfect for a toddler on the go. And it can still be used as a shower seat when needed. Thank you for watching this video. We also have a merch store where we have made custom t-shirt designs for woodworking enthusiasts. We also have an eBay store where we sell a lot of our projects, including our best sellers, our walking sticks. We'll make sure to include all of the links inside of the description below.